Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 1. Welcome to your English class. Open your English Broadway books, page 12. Today we will be revising our previous work for your upcoming assessments. On page 12, practice the reading. Read the story. Rex is my friend. Rex has 4 legs. Rex has a long tail. Who is Rex? Rex barks. Rex wags his tail. Rex is happy. Who is Rex? Now on page 13, you have already done the exercise. Let's revise it. Which of these sentences about Rex are correct? Put tick mark beside them. Put a cross beside the sentences that are wrong. One has been done for you. Rex is my brother. In the poem, it is said that Rex is my dog. So Rex is my brother is a wrong sentence. So they have put a cross mark in here. Rex has 3 legs. So Rex has not three legs. Rex has 4 legs. So you will have to put a cross mark over there. If you haven't done this exercise, do the rest of the 3 by yourself and revise it. Look at question number 2. Look at the pictures. Write the correct words from the box under each picture. One has been done for you. Long tail, 4 legs, friends, a dog wags his tail. Now look at the first picture. In this picture, the dog is wagging his tail. So we have written wags his tail over here. Now, if you look at the picture, you are seeing that the dog has 4 legs. So you will have to write 4 legs over here. If you haven't done this exercise, do the other parts by yourselves and revise it. Now turn page 14 and look at question number 3. Use the letters to make a number as in the example. These pictures will help you. Now look at this word. It is written in jumbled form and the picture is being given, so you will have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number is 5 and the spelling of 5 is F-Y-E. Now look at this. We have 2 eyes, 1, 2. So the correct spelling of 2 is T-W-O. If you haven't done this exercise, do the other parts by yourself and revise them. Now you will have to write the numbers in order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now turn page 15. We have already read this story, The Toffee. Let's revise it. Read the story. Look at the bottle. Look at the toffee. The toffee is in the bottle. An ant sees the toffee. He climbs into the bottle. Lots of ants sees the toffee. They climb into the bottle. Anita comes. She looks in the bottle. It is empty. She says, "Where is my toffee?" Now turn page 16 and look at question number 1. Write a word instead of the picture to make the sentences about the story. One has been done for you. Look at number 1. You will have to write the name of this picture. This is a bottle. So you will have to write a bottle over here. Now look at this picture. This is a toffee. The toffee, you will have to write toffee over here is in the bottle. This is one ant, so you will have to write one ant, A-N-T, climbs into the bottle. If you haven't done this exercise, do the other parts by yourself. Now look at question number 3. Write the correct words from the box under the picture. Coffee, toffee, bottle, tin, ant, Anita, full, empty, spider, Ali. Now look at picture number 1. It is toffee, so you will have to write toffee over here. Look at picture number 2. It is coffee, so you will have to write this coffee over here. If you haven't done this exercise, do the other parts by yourself and revise it. Now turn page 17. Look at question number 4. Change a letter to change A to B. One has been done for you. Look at this one. It is coffee, C. It is coffee. They have changed one letter that is C to T. It has been now toffee. Look at picture number 2. It is boy. You will have to change the boy to T. So you will have to write T-O-W. So it is a toy. If you haven't done this exercise, do the other parts by yourselves and revise the whole exercise. Now we will start our next part or next story, revision number 3. This is new for you. So the chapter name is Tom Sees a Fish. Read the story, practice the reading, and you will have to make the videos of your reading. Do send your recording of your reading and also pictures of the previous exercises that we may assist you. Now let's practice the reading. Read the story. This is Tom. He is Sarah's cat. This is Tom and he is Sarah's cat. Tom is looking at a fish. It is Sarah's fish. Sarah takes Tom away. She loves Tom, but she also loves her fish. The whole story means that Tom has 2 pets. One is cat and one is her fish. The cat is looking at her fish, so she comes and takes away Tom because she loves them both. Now practice your reading. Good luck. Thank you.